Hello and welcome back to the new video of the Maven tutorial series. Till now we have covered in our previous video we have covered about how we can create and manage a multi-module projects, and we have also seen one example by creating one project of with Maven, and we have created util core and UI all these modules, and we have seen how one module's functionality or the classes we can use in inside the another module. That part we have covered inside in our previous video. I hope you watched that video. If you don't, please go and watch that video and then come again in this video and watch this. Okay, so for this video we will be starting to create a web application with Maven. So till now we have covered how to create a simple Maven project, whether it is multi-module or not, single module. Okay, but now we have going to create a Maven project with a web application. Okay, so we are creating a web application. Okay, so let's go and in our IDE. So this is the first screen that you will see. I will just go ahead and click on the new project. So you too do that. But now you can see, once you are opening for the first time, when you click on the new project, you see various generators over here like Maven, JavaFX, Kotlin, Compose, Android. You just click on the Maven archetype and just name your project. So I'm gonna name my project as my first web app. Okay, so you can name anything to your project. That's not any problem. If you want to create git repository, you just click checkbox this. I don't want to go inside get GitHub part. Okay, so for that I will not check that checkbox. And if you want to create a new repository, new folder you want to create for this project, then you can go ahead. Let me just create one more new folder so that we can manage this project, because we require this project for our next upcoming videos also. I am going to create one new folder in my desktop, name as my first uh, web app Maven. Okay, so this is my folder name I'm creating. Okay, and inside which I'm going to create my project. Okay, uh, JDK is, you select whatever JDK you have in your PC. If you don't have, go ahead and download the JDK, and or else you, if you have, you can add your JDK also. And catalog may let it be internal. Don't choose default or Maven central. And now it most important part is archetype. You have to select the archetype, right? So you just go get into this drop down list and select the Maven archetype web app, because we are trying to create a web app, right? Web application. So for that we will be creating an archetype of web app. And after that, version let it be 1. No more addition. We have to do additional properties not required. Okay, just go ahead and create the project. Okay, for let the IntelliJ IDEA sync the project and download the required files and generate the project. Okay, so it is generating the project. Once you see the success message of build success in your console, your project is successfully created, right? Now you do one thing. Now you have created this web application, right? So I will tell you the structure of this web application. Okay, so now for the first time, you see in our previous video for the multi-module, the structure is not looking like this. There are different structure defined for each type of archetype that you have selected. Okay, so we have selected archetype of web app. So for the web app, this structure is followed. Okay, so we have source folder, main folder, under which resources and web app folder is there, and under web app folder web inf, and under web inf index.jsp and web.xml folder is there. And inside web.xml, it is an XML file, and the display name tag is there, and inside with archetype created web application. So it is defining, or it is telling that we have used archetype of web application. And inside our index.jsp, we have HTML tag, a body tag, and inside body tag hello world, and you can modify this hello world with whatever you want. You can go ahead and write your name as hello world, welcome to programming. Okay. Here's the thing that you can edit. It is HTML. You can add more tags, like h1 tag is also there in HTML. I hope you remember. And okay, so h1 tag, and we'll write your name, whatever you want to write over here you can write. And you can modify this index.jsp file, and this index.jsp file will get executed once we deploy this web app on any server. We will be deploying this, and we will be creating the war file also for this project in our upcoming videos. For this video, I hope you understand how we can create a web application in Maven. Okay, and so let me just quickly go inside my pom.xml file, and I will tell you what are difference between this and our normal Maven project. Okay, so you can see when I create this project using the archetype as web app, this dependency is automatically inserted by the IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, or to be more precise, it's by Maven. Okay, so Maven has added the dependency to the JUnit automatically when we create, but when we create the normal Maven project, there is no dependency tag over there. You have to go and use the dependencies that you are required. This is the one difference between that. And one more difference, packaging type is also added as var. We'll discuss what is var packaging type in our upcoming videos. Okay, and version other thing is pretty much simple. And okay, so let's go and go inside our Maven tab, and inside our this and life cycle we'll try to create the package of this. Okay, so double click on the package. Yeah, now most of you will get this error. Okay, cannot access default fields of properties. Okay, so most of you might get this error. How to rectify this error, I will tell you that. First of all, let me go and open my one previous project where the code to rectify this error is there. Okay, so I will go into inside my desktop. I will go desktop, demo web app. Let me go and click OK. I will open this in a new window. This is the demo web application that I have created previously. So you go here and plugin management. Okay, so these type of cannot access the default fields or properties is a error come because we have not added the plugins inside our build, and that plugins we have to add over here. And if you add this plugin manual and go ahead and again click on package, by this time it will run smoothly, and you can see build success. Our build is got created, and target folder is also got created, and this war file is also created by running our package command. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you got the idea how we can create a web application using Maven. Okay, and in our upcoming video we will be deploying this web app in an Apache Tomcat server, and we'll see how we can deploy it and how to manage that web application on the Apache Tomcat server. We'll see that one as well. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.